morning. Today I'm off to find a waterfall. It's one of the hidden gems of the Peak District, one which is quite hard to find. The waterfall that I'm hoping to find today is Waterfall Swallow. Quite a short walk to the waterfall, but it is quite scrambly, I've been told. So I've got my hiking poles and appropriate footwear, because it has been raining, so I think it'll probably be a bit slippy. I'm really excited. I've seen pictures of this waterfall, it looks really cute. The inspiration actually came from another YouTube channel that I follow, Hey and Kai, and they did a video on Waterfall Swallow, and I saw it and I was like, I need to find this waterfall. So here I am. I'll take you along with me. Hopefully I'll inspire you to get out here and have a look for yourself, but if not, enjoy the views. I started off by parking my car in Foolow opposite the Bullhead Inn. I then turned right out of the village and headed down the road. After about 10 minutes, on my left hand side there was a grass track which led to a brown gate. I walked through the brown gate, down the rocks to the bottom of the waterfall. It's for the waterfall. It is really slippy, so if you are going to come here, do make sure you bring like hiking poles and wear appropriate footwear because it's so slippy. But this is Waterfall Swallow. It looks really nice because we've had quite a lot of rain recently, so it's really helped to fill out the waterfall. Truly is a hidden gem. I've been here for about half an hour and I haven't seen anyone. I don't think a lot of people know about it. It took me about 5-10 minutes to get down to the bottom of the waterfall. So it's not a long route at all, it's really short, but it is quite a scramble, especially in this sort of weather where it's been wet and rainy, so do be careful, but oh, it's just gorgeous. That is the end of Waterfall Swallow. I hope I've inspired you to come out and explore. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!